everyone. Good evening, sir. We are now to present our final TP for database. First of all, we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Elmar Rodriguez Puncian.
My name is Tipin Zildariaga.
And I am Leonard Junpin.
And my name is Mark Williams Sabunod.
My name is GMA B. Wenceslao.
I'm Ivy Rose Ramirez. I'm Ivy Rose Ramirez.
Aizil. Wala is Aizil. So let's proceed. I-accept lang si Aizil ug maabot na. So first, we're going to present our database reports, which is we're going to demonstrate within the SAMP. So first, let me share my window.
Asa si Cecil?
Here.
Wait na ito si
So it's i-accept lang si Aisel kung sulod na.
Okay.
So, uh, so we're going to do is to identify the our reports. This is our database, which is the sales DB. So under the sales DB, we have these entities. We have four entities, which is the customers, products, transactions, and transactions details. In here, in our database, so in here, our in entities, we have this in data. So these are, which is the our data here. So we're going to SQL. So first we're going to SQL. So we're going to demonstrate the uh, joining or select the code of the every entities of our report. So let's first we're going to so I'm going to identify the our tables. I mean the database here. So using select, so we're going to uh, select this particular a table, which is the customer ID, customer name. So in our as also our customer purchase history. So this is our as the base for our reports in here. So from customer C, they will join the table. So the transaction table customer ID. So they were joining. After joining these two, we're going to conduct also the joining of these transaction details to transaction ID. So after that, we're going to proceed to products, which is product ID. So let's try to run this one if this is going to work without error. So let's try to run this one. So there you go. As you can see, we've been execute the code successfully, which is this. So as you can see, this is our data in the certain table. So next we're going to present the other to sa sunod yun eh. Next, which is Stephen Saldarriaga, which is going to present the other reports.
Hello. Good day. My name is Tipin Zildariaga, presenting number 2. So that's your screen. Windows. Input Discord. Select transaction date, transaction ID, sum ID, total price as total price from transaction T. Join transaction details. This query joins to the transaction and transaction details tables to match each transaction with details. It then groups the result by transaction date and transaction ID and calculates the total sale price for each transaction. The final result is daily sales report that shows for each transaction the date, transaction ID, and the total price of that item is called. So let's try to run this. So the report is limited to the first 25 transaction. Transaction date, transaction ID, total price. Transaction ID 1 2 3 and total price 25.20. And that's my presentation.
Okay, next, we're going to present.
We're going to face it. The first is the primary key is the product name, and the sum is the quantity, and the
What's up,
total
what's up?
price.
What's up? Wala ka naka-share screen.
Wala, Maria. Stephen, ako yung gamit niya kon. Wala ko yung laptop.
Gali, share screen gani. Wala may share screen.
Nakakuha nga din. Naka-studio na din, Mar.
Dapat naka-share screen.
Mar.
Dapat naka-share screen.
Pero sa dito na ano naman diri.
Balag gani.
Makita naman sa screen, Stephen.
Sige, sige.
Restart outro bit.
First is win the primary key, the product ID, product name, and a quantity, and a total price. The product and transaction details. We consider the product and ID and product name. Now, wait. We try to watch the query is in charge of both the product and the transaction details table to the match to each product, details, and the transaction. It's then in a group and the resource for each product, ID and the total sales revenue for the product, the result in the report also each product and the total quantity. Sold and the total revenue generated from the sales. And now we're going to write, and we can see this. And the total product, the total price is 20, 5, and 20. And that's all. Sir, thank you. And let's proceed to the next presenter.
So, the next presenter will be Ivy Ramirez.
So, good day, sir. Good day, everyone. So, I'm going to present. So, first is I'm going to demonstrate the select. Here is the result. Select date, format, transaction time as R, count transaction ID as number of transactions, sum total price as total sales. From transactions, join transaction details on transaction ID. Transaction ID and then group by date format transaction time. So I'm going to run this code. So here's the result. Showing rows. Select date format transaction ID as R, count transaction ID as number of transactions. Sum total price as total sales from transaction join. Transaction details on transaction ID by group date format. So after that, extra options. R is 10, 11, and number of transaction 2 and 1, and total sales is 25 and 20. So that's all. Thank you.
So the next presenter will be Aizel Cabadis. Go.
Good evening, sir.
Stamber ang cellphone. Cellphone mo stamber. Sige po.
Lain naman sa nagkiling ako anani. Today, sir, I'm going to show you the most popular product. Ikaw ba, nagklase? Si unahan. Ilang brow-brow ta. Ibo na kailang, ano? Ilang dati. Ay! Uy! Ano? Unahan pala ng tungod unang na ilagaga. Sa iya kadjut lang iya. Kapit na. Dito. Anila. Sa iya. Jitsa. Isa di kadjut sa iya. Hapit na mimabot kita. Di alaw sa law sa ka.
Ang mata tiguan.
Dito lang iya. Basta pa. Basta pa. So in the close select, product select, product ID from the product table, product name select from the product name from the products table, count TD transaction ID as a purchase count, counts the number of transaction ID from the transaction details table from each product. This count represents how many times each product has been purchased. The result is the analyzed as purchase count. And in the prompt clause, specify the product table with the allies P. This is the main table from the which is we're selecting data. Joint clause. Joint transaction details TD joins the transaction details table using the allies TD. Join on product ID equals TD product ID specifies the condition for the join. It matches rows from the product table with rows in the transaction details table where the product ID fields are equal. This means that each product are associating its transaction details. The group class. Group is the result by the product and the product name. Grouping is necessary because there is the function clause ensures the cost is for which the earned costs are ordered by purchase subscription result with purchase of incident order. This means the product the highest will appear first, followed by the product or around this, and this below at the number one and two, three most most popular and that's culture.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Start over sa explanation sa imong code kay wala-wala imong tingog. So wala kay masabtan ang imong explanation.
I-run na lang na.
Isel. I mean, sorry.
Explanation ay balik.
Explanation lang balik.
Nag-remove ko lang about station lang. Tingnan lang.
Ikaw lang imong sure lang imong signal kay murag kuan.
Photo ng good.
Ito putol jud imong kuan. Yo tana imong kuan yung tingog jud dili ma. Putol jud. Putol.
Ano siya?
Proceed to the next step. Kuha na lang, presenter. After na lang sa iya.
I-run
Putol-putol gid siya.
Sige da, isa ko pagtingog be. Sige da, tingog.
Putol-putol gid siya.
Okay na. Sige na, go proceed.
Lang. Lang ya kan. Dili na siya putol-putol. Saba kung putol-putol ya.
Sige.
Siguro tao bang?
Dili tao lang. Good evening, sir. I'm gonna show you the most popular product purchase. Product ID. Product ID selects the product ID from the product table. Then product name selects the product name from the product table. Then count open parenthesis TD, comma transaction ID as a purchase count. Counts the number of transaction IDs that transaction people for this said how many times each product has been purchased. The result is aligned as a purchase count. Then in the clause, specify the products table with the allied.
Kabanes.
This is the people. Oo.
Kabanes. Wala kay kuan
Oh.
kanang secure nga signal nga kuan dili putol-putol.
Putol-putol gid siya ya. Makaabot na rin ba? Hini, signal dari ba?
I-run na lang na.
Pag abot man gud sa so kanang tunga na supporting kay magkuan man gud mag-cut ang team.
Mukat gid siya. Senyo, like, dili lagi sa poke.
Sige, apan lang. Standby lang sa ka. Pagpana sa og signal. Standby lang sa ka. Tay ipasa sa other con.
Mar, okay
Kira?
ra diri Mar, badungog man diri tarong Mar sa inyo man diri kay ako man nag-off studio diri, ako man nag-edit.
Sure?
Yes.
Yeah, bantay bitaw. Sige po si.
Dili putol-putol pen.
Oh, sige na sumpay.
Okay, from clause, this specify the products table with the allies key. This is the main table from which we are selecting data. Join. Join clause. Join transaction details TD joins the transaction details table using the allies TD. On P product details TD, specify the condition for the join. It matches row the product or it matches from the product table with rows in this transaction details table where the product ID fields are equal. This means for for each product we are associating its transaction details. The group clause group groups the results by P product ID and P product name. Grouping is necessary because we are using count aggregate function. This clauses ensures that the count is calculated for each unique product. Order order clause, order by clause, order by purchase count description orders the results by the purchase count in descending order. This means the product with the highest purchase count will appear first, followed by product with a lower purchase count. So this is the code and we will run this. So we will run one, two, three is
Panis,
the most
ikon sa
product.
ikon sa imong loka sa imong sales database.
Ha?
Imong sales database tuklo ka kay wala na tunong imong sales database din. I-click sa imong sales database.
Teka na eh.
Oh, kanang sales DB nimo, kanang sales DB. Sales DB. I-click mo sales DB. Na-click na nimo?
Oh.
Oh, din pagkaman SQL. Dito din i-paste ang imong kuan code.
Nagdala na siya.
Oh.
Dara oh.
Okay na kay wala mo gud kuan din. Na sige.
Oh, yeah. And we'll run this code. The most popular product is product ID number 1, 2, and 3. These three products are the most searched product. And sir,
Okay, the next presenter will be Gia. So we're going to pass this to Insa ng pan share screen isa.
Pinikat.
Select transaction date and transaction date total price, transaction value from transaction, and So we are going to put the table in check, transaction details, and on transaction ID, and CV transaction ID by group. So by using also transaction date.
So now let's proceed with our final presenter, which is the next presenter. The next will represent this Mark Sabunod.
I-practice ka mo.
Hmm.
Nakakapitis ba? Hindi na palangan mong kamera ang mo.
Sure ka? Mag-share ka ba?
Share screen, di ba?
Share screen mo. Tasos. Tasos screen mo.
Hindi mo ni. Hindi mo siya live siya. So this SQL query retrieves a report of the total spending of each customer by aggregating data from three tables: customers, transactions, and transactions details. Here, a details breakdown of the query. Number one, query. Number one, select close. This specifies the columns to be included in the output. C, customer ID, the unique identifier for each customer. The C, customer name, the name of each customer. Sum the total price as total price, the sum of the total price of all transactions details for each customer, labeled as total price. Number two, from close, specifies the main table from which to retrieve data customers. The customer table is alias as C. Number three, join clauses. Join transactions T on C customer ID equals T customer ID. This joins the customer table with the transaction table on the customer ID field. It ensures that only transactions related to the customers are considered. Join transaction details on T transaction ID equals transaction ID. This further joins the transactions table with the transaction details table on the transaction ID field, linking each transaction to its details. For group by clauses, groups the results by customer, see customer ID, then customer name. This ensures that the sum function operates over its customer set of transaction details rather than on enter that data set. Aggregation, the sum total price function calculates the total amount spent by each customer based on the total price column in the transaction details table. The KAI generates a report showing the total spending of each customer by summing up the total prices of their transaction details. Each row in the results corresponds to a customer identified by their customer ID and customer name with a calculated total price representing their total expenditure. So that's all. Thank you. Next.
So
Mura na kung duga mo nila.
So we're going to proceed with the other reports as what we um, so it's going to proceed with our report. So here, so in here, by using also this select, the customer ID and customer will be combined. Also the calculate the sum of total price. So from using also the from here's the customers. So we're going to join the table here, which is the transaction on customer ID, and also the other joining table, which is the transaction details on transaction ID. Will be grouped by customer ID and customer's name. So here the this we have the order by, which is the total spent. So let's try to run this code if there is no error. So there you go. So as you can see, there is no error of our code. So let's try with the other or the final. Let's go with the final of our report. So let's try to. So in here now, final report, which is the low stock alert report. So in low stock alert report, so by using also this like product ID, product name, and quantity in stock, so there will be the joining. So from products, so using also from, so mentioning the products table, so group by products ID, also having a quantity in stock. So let's try to run this one. So as you can see, there is no error. So now we're going to join them in one here in our SQL. So let's try to run this if you are going to work. So there you go. So let's um, let's identify. So going to present something else here. So we're going to share the entire screen. So as our as the report approved here, we have this table, which is the customer purchase history report, daily sales report, product sales report, customer spending report, hourly sales report, product popularity report, average transaction value report, high value customers report, and low stock alert report. So as you can see, those report we're executing a type of e code, so that we're going to join. So as you can see, there's no error in such particular table while conducting those in demonstration or presentation. So let's try to unite them. So let's try to put this together. So we're going to figure it out if this table or the other reports will be joining the other table. So let's try to run this one. So as you can see, we're executing perfectly the other table joining the reports. So here, as you can see here, this is our transaction date, customer ID.
That's mine.
So
And
as you can see, the other reports are joined with this particular report or database. So that's all. Thank you so much for joining our session, performing our last DB.
And
So,
that's all.
thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And to everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have a
you
good
so
day,
much,
sir.
sir.
God bless.
Thank you. God bless.
Goodbye.
Bless po.
I love
Open cam
you.
sa tanan day. Open
Bye,
cam tanan. Open
sir.
cam sa.
Welcome. Picture, picture.
Asam. And 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Kulira ka pin, wa ka nagupin.
Pangit kay Ilmaroy.